Hi everyone. While we make a broad exam strategy, our everyday routine is equally important. The best way to go with our routine is to divide 24 hours as 8 to 12 hours of study or range targets is always better than a point target. Then 7 to 8 hours of sleep, 2 to 3 hours of basic necessities like meals and showers, and balance 1 hour. We can take up a physical activity or any other activity of our preference. This is very helpful, especially in the initial months. The 8 to 12 hours of study can be broken down into a minimum 3-hour slot. The 3-hour slot is very important given the exam duration is of 3 hours each at least. Find your body clock, whichever time you're more efficient. Set your timetable as per your body clock. Sharing a timetable, please use it as a reference. Personal timetable is the best timetable.